How to uninstall Microsoft Teams. Need to remove Microsoft Teams from your iPhone, whether for troubleshooting or to free up space. Uninstalling the app is quick and easy. Just uninstall Teams safely. Go to your iPhone's home screen or app library and locate the Microsoft Teams app icon. Tap and hold the Microsoft Teams app icon. A context menu will pop up, or all of your app icons will start to jiggle, indicating that you're in jiggle mode. If a menu appears, tap on Remove App. If the icons are jiggling, tap on the minus icon in the top left corner of the Teams app icon. Then select Delete App and confirm your choice. The app and its data will be removed from your iPhone. Like this. You've successfully uninstalled Microsoft Teams. Manage your iPhone's apps effectively. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app management tips.